Hey everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to schedule a YouTube video. Let's get started. So, the scheduling videos on YouTube lets you publish at a future date and time so you don't have to manually upload later. First, go to youtube.com and sign in. And here, click the Create Plus button and select Upload Video. Choose your video file from your computer. And after that, fill in the title, description, thumbnail, and audience info. And next, click through the Details and Settings section, and when you reach the Visibility, select Schedule. Pick the date and time you want the video to go live and click Schedule. Now, your video will automatically publish at the set time. Use YouTube Analytics to find the best time for your audience and schedule in advance for consistency. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.